where quality is a way of life, where pursuit of excellence is a habit, where technology and skill combine. We are the MK Group, leaders in friction technology. We are an integral part of the Indian automotive industry, ensuring a safe ride for our country. We opened our doors in the year 1959, and in this span of time, we have firmly established ourselves as leaders in friction technology in the country. The road to success has been filled with challenges, and every time we have risen to the occasion to emerge victorious. Along the way, we have gathered milestones that are a testimony to our growth. We began making our mark with the manufacture of gaskets and rubber parts, but soon expanded our operations. The years 1964 to 1976 saw us establishing manufacturing units for clutch and brake parts. Our hard work paid off, and soon we became a name to be reckoned with. The next big step in our evolution came in the year 1982, when we set up Bhandari Forgings, a manufacturing plant. This was set up to manufacture forgings for automotive industry. Yet another milestone was reached in 1997 with VNG Automotives Private Limited. This manufacturing plant in Faridabad has got world-class tool room facility to manufacture PDC components and stampings. In our quest to grow, we ventured further afield to Bhiwadi in Rajasthan, where in 2001 we established VNG Brakes for the manufacture of brake linings and brake pads. The year 2005 saw us stamp our presence in Himachal Pradesh, where we established MK Auto Clutch Company to manufacture clutch plates and brake shoes. We spread our wings further in the year 2010 when we entered the hospitality industry with Hotel Country Inn and Suites in Gurgaon. Today the hotel is the ultimate in warmth and comfort. Every achievement, every milestone inspires us to strive harder to bring the best to our clients. To that end, we forged a deep bond with Chongqing Light Industry Manufacture Company Limited, China, in the year 2012. The result, MK Light, a joint venture company for complete transmission solutions for 2- and 3-wheelers. This plant is equipped with the latest machines and the best technology. This is a partnership that has reaped rich dividends. The roles of the partners are well defined to streamline the manufacturing process and thereby giving the best possible product to the customer. Having taken on the onus of sourcing friction material, we signed a technical agreement for paper friction clutch with world leaders Miba Friction Group, Austria in 2014. The seed that was sown in 1959 has grown to become a vital part of the Indian automotive industry today. The range of products we have on offer are clutch plates, paper-based and rubber, complete clutch assembly, brake shoes and liners, disc pad, clutch shoes, forged products. Our manufacturing process is bolstered by a strong marketing network of 400 dealers and distributors nationwide. They leave no stone unturned to ensure timely delivery of our products to customers all across India and abroad. Our focus on quality has been recognized and is manifested in the faith that our customers have put in us. We have become a name to be reckoned with and constantly strive to retain and reinforce our position as a leading India brand. For us, customer satisfaction is paramount. We want to give them innovative designs, value for money, delivery adherence, and zero defects. To achieve this, we are focusing on R&D, best manufacturing practices, and system upgradation to compete on a global platform. A company is as strong as its team, and we at MK have not just a team, we have a family. We believe that people work best when they are given challenging opportunities, fair treatment, learning atmosphere, growth, and tolerance for imperfection. We honor innovation, encourage ownership and decision-making, innovative quality products and value for money. That is our vision and that is our mission. We are MK Group, making your drive smoother, safer.